Right. Hello. Good morning. Get my camera set up here. Right. Hello. Good morning. Oh, what's up, Zero? Good morning, guys. Good day or what? Oh, mine lord, doing well, man. Mayday song is not on YouTube, dude. It's only on this stream. That's why you gotta watch it. Here, fuck it. We're gonna play Mayday. Cut the track. Cut the beat. I don't know. Fuck it. Singing Mayday.
Living life till I die in the nighttime. I've been quite high trying to find my mind. Feeling low like my eyesight.
Oh yeah. This is groovy, eh? Sniffle lunch. Oh shit. My buddy's here, by the way, guys. She done done me dirty. Oh, guys. My focus is back. Reading the market like a fucking book today. Good. Hey Ed, what's up? Party is all on me. Oh, you guys love this song, man. Shay is going nuts when I tell him about it every time. You can't find the song. Oh yeah. Hey, wait, let me fucking put this on my story. You guys all asking about this song. It's so good. Oh, on stream, Shay. They're all, when's the song dropping? What's the name of the song? You can't find the song, where is it? They love it, man. That's awesome, dude. It's the next song coming out this month. It's fucking sick, right? It's so funny. I met this guy at the beach and he just started rapping. It's so funny. 2 songs a month for 2021. Yeah, that song is killer, man. I'm pretty sure he wrote it when he split up with his girl. Cause she done do him dirty, as he says. You done do me dirty. Yeah, she fucked with some shit. If I remember correctly. Alright, guys. Right. We ready to start this shit? It's Friday, guys. It's a little bit quieter. Boom, there he is. The man, the myth, the guy who chews on his microphone. All right, buddies. I got this new book. Oh, sweet. Okay, I thought it froze there. Power teaches you how to be powerful, I guess. Who knows? All right, buddies and guys and friends. Okay, let's turn that one off. trading anthem. Oh, it hypes me up every time. Gets me ready for the New York Open. Let's close out Facebook here just in case I actually open it up and you guys can see my friends. I don't want to see my friends because I don't have any, remember? From yesterday. Yeah, I got a buddy over. I think he's downstairs right now. He's doing my laundry. You doing my laundry? Yeah, he's doing my laundry. It's great to have friends. Right, all right, guys. How you doing? What kind of trades you want to? EU looking bullish as fuck. Yeah, shit. Okay, let's do a deep dive on EU right now. So coming into the shush bing bongs. Dang, MetaTrader. So coming into the London Open, what do we see? We saw these highs here being nicely swept, right, on the 1 hour. So this gave us momentum to move to the downside. But if we're looking at the daily, what do we see on the daily here, right? Daily, we see some liquidity being hunted. Ooh, boo, 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 right? It hunted those, and then it closed extremely bullishly. A strong bullish close on the daily is going to give us a good indication, right? So we can ignore the hourly sweep because the daily is generally stronger. We're also seeing this V bottom on the lower time frame. We then pull back to the order block of interest. We see nice, clean closes, right? And I just took along. Right. So here's the thing, babies. We saw then on the downside some highs here and a hunt and then breakdown, right? So what is going to happen right now? We don't know for sure, but there's a good chance that it actually rejects right off of here and then continues into our stop. But there's two things that's going to happen, right? It's either going to reject right here and it's going to hit our stop. And after I saw this break right here, and we actually see a sweep of that candle right there, right? If you can see that, I'm actually perfectly satisfied putting my stop at break even now. So this is where we moved our stop. We took profit exactly right here, right? Exactly at those tops, because that's where the previous breaker was, right? We then taking our next profits way up here, right? Where's that? It's at the level that we broke off from, right? The original sweep. I think most likely this is going to be a major time frame reversal, and we're going to fill all this gapping area up here, right? But I don't want to sit in this trade over the weekend. I want to get in and out. I don't like sitting in the market. Sitting in the market for too long is going to provide you too much risk. Can I make a video of how to connect FX Book? No. They literally teach you how to do that on their site. I'm not here for stupid reasons. I'm here for smart reasons and teaching smart people how to do smart things. Like a smart car. Let's look at your trade here, Bizrat. She done do me dirty. By the way, guys, after the stream on the New York Open, there's a new video launching. It's you know, how much can you make as a Forex trader? And I'm just looking at the possibilities at hand from some of the best traders I know and some of the worst traders I know. So you guys might want to check that out after New York opens here. So what are we seeing here? You've drawn out some levels, BU, or GU rather, BU, British. Why is it? Oh, Great Britain pound. Got it. Okay. Why was it G? All right. It should be British BP. It should be, yeah, but British, Great Britain. Okay. Yeah. Oh, that's killer, dude. Yeah, I see this. That's a good one. Are you? I'm assuming you're either entered on that close of the sweep, or you're looking for a retest down here. And now the only thing looking at this right now, 4 hour. Let's take a peeky poo. 4 hour. She done do me dirty. So the only thing I'm a little bit cautious of is you saw this original sweep here, right? Of those lows and then the rally, but we did sweep that high there. So I think this is perfectly satisfactory that I wouldn't want to be looking for a long here. But what we're seeing here is this area, right, is the best chance for us to rally back up and then give you a second opportunity to enter, right? That's my suggestion if you did want to get into a short. And this is a strong move, so ideally we would want to break it and then come back up, right? But you might have been able to get in a bit early there on that candle close, right? Just wondering where you got in. I think you're smart. I think this is gonna go down. It makes a lot of sense. We had these areas that we were looking for before. Oh, where's Buddy there? Tomato? That was he was talking all that shit, wasn't he? Talking all that shit about how this was gonna go down, and I said, I agree, but it's probably gonna come up here first. You guys remember that? Sorry, I'm hyped up. Too much Adderall this morning. Wake up, take 3 Adderall. Go to the gym. Take 2 more. Message some girls on Tinder. Snort 1 Adderall. You know, it's a living. You don't do me dirty. So there's my buddy right there. Huh? Careful with that.
Tasty? Glad you enjoyed it.
Is that just a fucking plate of tomatoes, dude?
Well, that's what we have for dinner.
Oh god, you fucking asshole, dude. Oh, it's funny because oh god, okay, I'll have to explain to you later, Ben. I'll have to explain you something later. Because I can't say too much. All right, guys, this is funny for me, all right? Maybe I don't know if you guys enjoy just me laughing at inside jokes. Okay, so let's continue here. We're not doing a super long stream here today, guys. It's Friday. Not many people like trading on Friday for some reason. They don't like watching me on Friday or something like that. And you know, I like to take off the weekend a little bit early. I think we're gonna have some. Have you guys had this Clase Azul tequila? This shit is fucking good. I saw that at the bar. I was like, why do you have a vase up there? They're like, no, that's some tequila. I was like, oh, give me some. And it's real good. So I'm gonna get some of that this weekend, I think. And have something going on here. So let's look at EU. I'm just curious. Let me drop this down to the 1 minute so I can get a better picture of what's actually happening here. Yeah. So this actually, if we're, I think it's gonna come up here. Yeah. Oh, this is really nice though. Okay, so this is really nice. So we saw the sweeps there, and then it brings us down. We're actually coming back down to retest that area that we blasted off from. And this is a really great indication when we see a consolidation and then a sweep right where it should be bouncing, right? So this, I would suspect, is going to hold right there. And then we're going to continue. This was the most recent manipulation, so it's most likely to beat this one, right? Most likely. We'll see how it goes. I am perfectly satisfied. I got my stop exactly break even because that's exactly where I entered. Oh, I'm so happy with that. The focus today. The other thing that we were looking at here is we wanted to get into a short this morning. I didn't quite get it because I was looking for a little bit higher. But I wanted to get in a short here because I knew it would come back down to this area. And it just barely missed it here. And I didn't quite see this as a good enough stop hunt for me to want to get in. And then it dumped down. A retest would have been nice, and then we could have gotten in as well, but it was just too quick, right? Have you seen the barnyard strategy? You draw different animals on your oh yeah. You try to find the perfect barnyard animal. Yeah, I've done the dinosaur strategy, and it's really good with Bitcoin, right? Really good with Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin here. Come on, cat. Dinosaur strategy here. What you do is it? I don't know. I can't draw it. Here, let me. Soar Bitcoin. Yeah, that's it. That's the one. Oh, I thought he drew it with the head. I was trying to figure out how he drew the head here. Okay. Time to invest in Bitcoin. Sweet. All right, guys. A GA. Look at GA. Sure. What's up, Jason? So you only have girlfriends, but you have a guy cleaning. No, he's actually doing my laundry. He's my friend. He's my friend. He's like my one guy friend that I hang out with. Like on a one-on-one type thing. I hang out with like other guys, but like more at like parties and such because they're rowdy usually. And for some reason I like Ben. I don't know why. We're friends. Best friends. Okay. Yeah. But no, I actually have another friend that I'm paying her to clean my house on Monday. So funny. I'm paying her $25 an hour to just go through and clean my house. Because she needs some money, and I was like, oh, fuck, I need a clean house. So she's my other friend there. And she's probably going to do a better fucking job cleaning than Ben would. All right, let's look at GA. Yeah, Ben's just going to fucking put all my clothes in a bucket. Throw it outside my room. There you go. Your laundry's done. Search through the bucket. Okay. What are we looking here for GA? What do you ask for GA? You done do me dirty. I can't see your message. GA found a beautiful setup with a kangaroo. Oh, this is a joke. Fuck off. Damn it, I was gonna look at the chart. Look at the concept. Use the set. Stegosaurus for Bitcoin. I think it fits best. Yeah, it's Stegosaurus, yeah. I want a long GU at 36.8. 36.8, you want to long it up here? Why would you long it at the top? I don't understand your logic there, buddy. You want to long it up here. Let me look at the higher time frame. What's with the hat, man? Do you normally wear hats? 36.8. Yeah, I don't remember you normally wearing a hat. Oh yeah, that's annoying, right? Took me a good 2 years to stop doing that. Yeah. Hit your head on the roof there. UCAD, perfect. Okay, let's look at a trade. Fucking brings tomatoes up here. The tomatoes?
Yeah, they were nice.
They were nice potatoes. He brings up a fucking plate of cherry tomatoes. He's from Scotland, so he doesn't quite speak English properly.
Yeah, that's totally correct. You are hysterical.
Alright. So UCAD. Yeah, so higher time frame first of all. UCAD's been a long-term downtrend. We've been looking for somewhere. It really looks like it's platforming, taking little sweeps, platforming, taking little sweeps. And so at some point this is really going to blow off, isn't it? And it looks like it's creating another base here, is it not? Right? And that was a strong dip there. And it's really looking like this could be the turnaround point, right? Once again, but you know, you never long the top here. So if it does turn around, and what the definition of turnaround would be is if we see a strong momentum sweep out of here. Then what we do is we wait for the pullback down to these levels, right? Down to these levels of consolidation, and then you look for confirmation here and you go for the long, right? That's where we're going to look for there. In terms of absolute bias here, I'm seeing again, until we're closing on the 4 hour up here, then I would only want to be looking for shorts, right? So essentially we also have these highs right here, right, which can easily be manipulated. So you could look for a short right now if it gets manipulated, right? But this is a possible breakout, and then we'd be looking for longs if the 4 hours closing above here, right? That's simple. That's simple for you guys. You're stuck in a short, right? So if you're stuck in a short on this one, if you're swing trading, right? If it's more of a swing, oh look at that trade that worked, beautiful. This is an area of liquidity, right? So you don't want to put your stops here because this is probably going to get hunted because it hasn't been hunted yet. So what I would do is I put my stops at the next level behind right here, right? Because most likely there's somebody waiting here with orders still resting, right? Because it hasn't been hunted yet. So, but once that's tapped, then the next level behind would be the next level, right? That would be the next obvious thing once that's tapped. But right now you use this level because there's liquidity here. Right? If you're stuck in a short on the way up here, just exit. If you're doing a low time frame short, just call it a loss. My homie uses fractals. I have this thing going because I wanted to see. It's simply showing me pivot points, right? That's all it is. It's all it is. It's a pivot point, right? So all it says is if this side is higher and this side is higher, then draw an arrow, right? It's just easier to see that way, because then I can see major pivot points on higher time frames. Notice how I don't use it on the lower time frame. I mean, you don't need it, right? You don't need it because you can still see them, but it's just kind of points them out, right? So things kind of pop out, and you don't miss anything. Damn, bro, what you just said is some heat knowledge. Yeah, you know, man. If I provide any value, knowledge, entertainment, jokes, or if you just think I'm cute, hit that like button. If you think Jackpot's cute, hit the dislike. I do this thing where I make fun of another guy. His name's Jackpot. Jackpot all the way. Okay. Let's look at your trade. Mad FX. Look at your trade here. The euro just dumping down a little bit right now. Actually, I'm looking at it on my other screen. I can see it dumping down. But this is the exact point where it'd be bouncing off of. Let me just check it so you guys can kind of see the logic as things roll through, right? So this is what makes sense. We reject off of that area. I would have thought it would come up a bit higher, right? But it's just a SR flip here. Oops. All right. And this is where it would bounce off of, right? So if we jump down to the 1 minute, this is what we want to see. We want to see a bounce right here, right? We want to see a bounce right here. I'm perfectly fine if it fails right now because I've already locked in 50% of my profit at 1.5R. Perfectly fine. I think if it gets much lower, it's gonna hit it. These 1 minutes are gonna start having to be bullish here, especially considering we got 10 minutes until the hourly close. We're really gonna want the hourly to not be super stupid, right? If the hourly can close up here, we'd be fine. But we got 10 minutes, right? You gotta really use like all time frames. The more time frames I use, the better I am at trading. I notice like if I'm able to focus and spread out and look at a greater picture rather than just tunnel visioning, right? When you tunnel vision, that's when you get caught up on ideologies that aren't true, right? You want to look at GA. You want to long it, eh? So, let me look at this guy's chart first. Oh Jesus, dude. You seriously nailing these trades? It beats me how you do it, but crazy, dude. Beats me. I got a friend who does oh, we got stopped out there. That's fine. On EU here, we just got stopped. I mean, there's a good chance that it was just a simple stop hunt, but I don't want to take the risk of losing now. Because that's a really great place for it to have bounced, right? That's fine. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with what it was like 0.7R today. That's fine. I'm happy. We'll see if we can get a New York Open trade as well. New York Open trade, I might be able to get a 3R thing. Maybe I'll end the week. Yeah, I got a friend who does trading like this. I can't analyze this, dude. Because it's above my pay grade. Too good for me, man. Oh, there's Tomato. Tomato. I was wondering where you were. Remember how you said it was gonna go down, and I told you that it's likely to come up here first and hunt. Wait, where is it? Come up here and hunt it first. Remember that? Remember that, buddy? Ah, it's all good. I still think it's going to come down here. That's just why we didn't want to get in. But now we're safe. Now we take the shorts, right? Now we take the shorts and we hunt this one. And we come down here, right? All right, guys, I'm going to wrap it up here pretty quick. I'm just doing like a 20-30 minute stream here. Just because I want to jump on. Friday's a bit quicker. So, you know, let's look at, you guys, you wanted to long GA, and then I'm going to wrap it up here. Honestly, man, I wouldn't long GA. The pound itself, very bearish right now, right? Very bearish. GA is going to be affected by that. This is in a downtrend as well, and I don't see any reason for this to start moving to the upside. I wouldn't be long on this, personally. Yeah, quick one, 0. Yeah, I know, man. You guys are getting, you know, what's it called? A pampering here lately. Been sitting on here for an hour every day with you, teaching you my ways. I don't have time for that shit. No, I do. I really don't do that much. I'm pretty fucking bored all the time. But I got a friend over. So we're gonna, you know, chat about our butts or something, right? That's normally what we do.
SpongeBob.
Oh yeah. Okay, SpongeBob tonight, butts tomorrow. Yeah. What's going on? Hey man, nice to see you, FL Production. Who teaches this strat? What strat? Oh, you're talking to somebody else. All right, guys. Yeah. Cool. No advertising for your own shit in here, by the way, dude. I'll let that one slide. I'll let that one slide. Mad FX, but yeah, no advertising. Just because then it's like fucking, it's like spammy, right? But that's cool. Like, you didn't fucking come here and act like a dick, so that's perfectly fine. The people who just like come in here and spam, that's bullshit. But we're gonna wrap it up here and play a little bit of music, and we'll get out of here. But yeah, nice 30-minute stream. I hope you guys the best on the New York Open, and you have a great weekend. Let's put a little bit of music going here. Thanks for watching, guys. If I provide any value for you, jokes, entertainment, hit the like button.
She say we can't keep it honest, babe. Now fuck love, twist words, what you trying to say? Bring you back around and play another game. Twist around the paper about the latest fucker rap. She say she never finna love me, baby. What the fuck is up? We twist the words around a circle, send her hurt the vibes I hurt. Don't try to love you, burn the herbal, gotta breathe. She say she won't play another game. Complain, baby, never really finish it. Champagne, need a better bitch and better ways. Try to speak compilers while you run away. We play another game. She say we can't keep it honest, babe. Nah, fuck love, twist words, what you trying to say? We play another game. She say we can't keep it honest, babe. Nah, fuck love, twist words, what you trying to say? Bring you back around and play another game. You better keep it honest, better look at me, you lie. Your father shot the body, dropped.
You done do me dirty. Sipping on this 40. Alright, guys, I'll see